Today's world is incredibly competitive, and the only way to get ahead is to be productive and get works done quickly. Productivity can come in many different shapes and forms, and it affects almost every aspect of our professional life, from a successful business person to a creative employee. It is the foundation of success, and the key to staying ahead of this competition is to learn how we get more things done in a lesser time frame. Hello and welcome to my channel Soulful Spark. If you are new here, then please support me with the subscribe button. Also, like, comment and share this video to your friends and family. Help them get motivated to get productive and achieve something significant in life. Do you feel like there isn't enough time for you in a day to get everything done? These days, it's hard to keep up with the pace of life. With so much on our plates, we easily feel overwhelmed and become unproductive in our everyday life. We all have days where it feels like we are constantly running against the clock. And if this sounds familiar to you, then this video is for you. There are several ways that you can learn and understand how to get more things done in a less time. In this video, I will share you 6 proven tactics that will help you manage your time better and become more efficient. You will also learn how to maximize productivity within a limited time frame so that by the end of each day, you can look back on your accomplishment with self-satisfaction and pride. Setting clear goals and priorities can help you focus on the most important tasks and stay motivated. You should also strive to overcome procrastination, as it can often lead to a wasted time and energy. Instead, concentrate single-mindedly on your most important task and get more things done in a day than many people do it in a week. Another way to stay motivated is to plan your day in advance. Take a few minutes each night to set yourself up for the success of the following day. Write down your goals, tasks, and deadlines and set yourself a plan of action. This will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the day so you can make the most of your time. It is important to focus on key tasks. Many people try to do too many things at once, which can lead to burnout and waste more time. Studies have shown that when our brains are constantly having to switch between tasks, especially those that require full attention, we become less efficient and more prone to making mistakes. Rather, prioritize your tasks and focus on the most important ones first. This will help you stay productive to do more things in lesser time. Stay organized. It's also important to make sure that your workspace is organized and that you have all the materials and tools that you need to get to your works done quickly and efficiently. Time management and planning are essential skills in your professional life, and by taking the time to focus on these important areas, you will be able to get more works done and help you achieve success. Practicing mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can improve productivity by reducing stress, increasing focus, and helping individuals manage their time more effectively. These practices can help you clear the mind and approach tasks with renewed energy and motivation, which can lead to completing more work in less time. Additionally, regular meditation can enhance attention span, improve sleep, which in turn results in more energy and better mood, all of which can help increase productivity. Finally, it's important to take breaks throughout the day. Working non-stop can lead to fatigue and it makes you less productive. Taking regular breaks will refresh your mind and helps you stay focused and productive. This is another important tips you must follow in your everyday life. Now, the bonus tips for our true followers. Get enough sleep. Make sure to get enough sleep at night to be refreshed in the morning. Sleep is necessary for productivity because it enables your brain and body to relax and restore, allowing it to operate productively. Our brains and body are able to process and incorporate new information and work when we get enough sleep, making it easier to come up with new ideas and energies. When we are tired, on the other hand, our brains are less able to think creatively and is more prone to making mistakes. So, if you want to unleash your productivity, get plenty of rest. Your body will be grateful for that. By incorporating these tips, you can learn how to get more things done in less time and achieve success in every steps of your life. Set clear goals and prioritize your tasks. Stay focused and motivated. Meditate, have enough sleeps, and take regular breaks to keep your mind refreshed. With the right strategies, you can get more things done in a day than many people get it done in a week. So don't be afraid to push yourself and get more out of your day. Believe it's possible to get more things done in less time. Thank you for being with us until the end of our video, and if you are new in my channel, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon so that you get notified of every videos we create. See you in the next videos. Until then, stay productive, stay healthy.